Hi friends, in this video we're gonna see how to set up payment gateways for your grocery app. So let's get started. First, log into your website admin panel. After that, click on the three lines. Go to WooCommerce. In that, click on Settings. After that, click on Payments. The payment section you can see. From here, you can enable and disable the cash on delivery option. And in UPI QR code section, click on Manage. Here you have to give your UPI ID. And then click Save Changes. Then click on Razorpay Manage option. Here you have to give the details of your Razorpay and then click Save Changes after completion of that and go into the next option, the wallet option. Under the wallet option, click on Manage, fill up the details. After that, click on Save Changes. This is how you can add the payment gateways to your grocery store. Thank you for watching.